Hello friends, in this video I will show how to fix Windows couldn't be installed. Error code 0x80070714. So to resolve this problem, search services. Open services. Now in this list you have to find out SQL. So in this list you need to find out SQL services. I have not that service, but if you see that service, so double click on it and startup type select manual. If you will see automatic or disabled, so select here manual. You will find some different services start from SQL. So for example, double click on it and here select manual startup type. So this way guys you can fix and resolve Windows couldn't be installed error. Thanks for watching and comment this method work for you or not.